Hi, my name is Nick Kahn and we're here for WiZiX first ever Toshiba Tip Tuesday. Today we'll show you how to add a contact to your address book. First, step over to your Toshiba device, thumb over to User Functions, Address, select a spot, Entry, enter the information about your contact, fax number, email, and if you had a department code, this would be a great place to enter it in, or if you were using it to sort, it's also where you'd enter it as well. Now, select OK, your contacts in the address book. When you go back to your home screen and go to scan to email, your contact appears ready to go. Same with your fax. And that was your first WiZiX Toshiba Tip Tuesday.